Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Finding the instantaneous rate of change for this quotient function is fast using the right rule. Let's solve this problem together now. First, use the quotient rule to find the derivative of h at 0. Multiply the bottom by the top's derivative, then subtract the top times the bottom's derivative. Next, look at the graph to find our values. At 0, f is 2 and g is 4. The slope of f is 0, while the slope of g is 1/2. Finally, plug those numbers into our formula. We get 4 times 0 minus 2 times 1/2 divided by 16. Well done! Option A is correct. Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and always trust the given graph data.